I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this stunning Nissan 370Z Nismo. This car features the 3.7 litre V6 engine that gives you 339 horsepower. It's had one former keeper and it's done under 18,000 miles. So let's have a look around. This really is a beautiful car that also comes with super lightweight 19-inch alloy wheels. There's a built-in hard drive to go with the Bose sound system, and you also get sat-nav. So if this car's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.